All right, boys and girls, motion control negative down layout. So again, this is motion control positive layout. We're up, our mass bias is over. Ball track is going to chase it and come to it. So this is just a motion control negative up layout. So in this one, we're utilizing negative axis to our advantage. I'm trying to get the mass bias to get the negative axis to make this ball want to stop on the very back of the lane. That's what it does. So you're going to have the mass bias that actually end up on the negative side of your track, negative up, right? So what we're doing now is we're going to do a negative down. So I'm basically going to lay it out the same way. There's a little bit of a difference though. So right here we have 30 degrees. So I'm just going to find all my dimensions, and find my perpendicular point. Okay, so this will always be perpendicular or parallel to the center of the grip. But what we're going to do is, since we have this line, we actually just flip it 180 degrees, and then we're still going to use this line to our advantage. So for instance, we would be, let's say right here. Okay. So that's what it would look like. Now as the ball flares, the ball track does this. You see how it becomes parallel down here as opposed to the negative up, which is dealing with the axis. The only thing to keep in mind with these layouts, so when we laid this out, I did 30 degrees positive based off the positive axis. But since we're dealing with negative, remember there's 90 degrees. So this is actually going to be 60-degree negative because we laid it out 30-degree positive. We're laying it out using the positive axis, but we're dealing with the negative axis, or the track. So if you keep that in mind, the negative down, it's going to pick up a little bit sooner than the negative up. It's very arcy at the break point. It's not very sharp, and it wants to calm down on the back of the lanes, but still continue to move left just a little bit, where the negative up just wants to stop and lay down. So if you're playing farther out, the negative up is the way to go. But if you're in trying to bend it a little bit, negative down.